and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to start selling internationally on eBay. So open eBay application on your device and then navigate to a selling section that is located at the bottom side of the screen, and then you can tap on list an item to create a new listing, or you can choose an existing one to edit it. I have mine in drafts. So open the listing summary of the product, and here you should scroll to the section shipping and press this pen icon to apply some changes. And here you see the option ship internationally, so you need to enable it if it's disabled by simply moving the slider to the right like this. So here you can enter the package details. Okay, I shouldn't have done that. Okay. So if you know the details of your package, so weight and dimensions, you can enter it, but it's not especially necessary. So here you see shipping service. That's what we need. And here basically you can select the international delivery service. So here are many options to choose from. For example, let it be this first one. So this is my shipping service, and here you should see shipping cost. So this is the amount how much you will charge the buyer for that delivery. So enter your amount here and save it. And also international destination, so you can choose worldwide delivery, or you can choose custom locations and add some countries. Also you should have here exclude shipping locations, but I don't see that, but I think you should probably try desktop version, and then probably you will see exclude shipping locations, so you will use that in case there are some places you don't want to ship to. So that was all, and then review all your listing, and if everything is okay, publish your listing. So that's how you can start selling internationally on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.